Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto E40, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, I need to tell you that you need to use only plastic objects to clean your connector so not to damage your moisture protection and the charging mechanism. I suggest you use no toothbrush, which you no longer use because it's simple but best tool to clean your USB port. Okay, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. Firstly, you need to take your cover off if you have. I don't, but okay, let's start. Firstly, you need to insert one part of the toothbrush into a connector and simply try to take the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.